Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have a VR gaming mat. If you look over here, I have my Oculus Quest 3. So that's what I have. So let's check out this gaming mat. See how this looks. So there we go, box is empty, and here is the gaming mat. So this is gonna, what this is gonna do is give me a little bit of tactile feel so I can put it on my floor and then I can sit on it and stuff and move around on it and know that I'm always on the mat. Because when I have the goggles on, if you're not doing this pass-through mode, it's nice to, to know where you're at so you don't knock into stuff. So it gives us that ability. You've probably seen some of those videos where people are playing VR and end up running into the walls or running into a TV and knocking it down. So this is going to give us the ability to avoid that. So look at this here. It's a nice looking mat. Very cool. Very cool. Nice there. And it'll fit on the floor and give us some of that cushioning too. So when I have it, when I'm playing on the wood floor, it won't be so hard on me. So this is a nice little mat and kind of gives you your little space to play off of. So I'm going to say this is a total winner here. So when I put on my little Oculus, my little Quest device here, I'll be able to, oops, it's plugged in. I'll be able to use this and be in my VR world. Oh, it's charged 100%. And use the mat. So totally nice to have. It's gonna come in handy. Thumbs up for sure.